Hello and welcome to this course. Thank you for joining me. I sincerely hope that you enjoy this very much. Okay, so in this course we are going to work in a very interesting subject: superheroes, characters with special powers. We are going to take a look at the visual representation of some superheroes known by everybody. So it's going to be a nice reference. We are also going to talk about the body structure and the anatomy that we can depict within our drawing style. Eventually we'll think of a character concept, a superhero. We'll draw a sketch of our character and we'll think of what colors could work within our superhero. In fact, we'll look for a color palette and afterwards we'll develop a bit our character based on what we have on our sketch. And last but not least, we'll create a logo or an emblem for this character. So let's begin.